Are you looking for the top 5 best electric tricycles for 2023? If you're tired of struggling with unstable two-wheelers or just want a more comfortable ride, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best electric tricycles I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. 2 Maples Noseless Bike Seat Cushion. First up is the 2 Maples Noseless Bike Seat Cushion, priced at $34.99. What caught my attention is its unique noseless design and oversized shape, which promises comfort for those long rides. If you want a more comfortable biking experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The extra wide design fits those of us with bigger hips, which can be a real game changer if you've ever felt discomfort on standard bike seats. The seat is made with premium high-density memory foam and cooling gel, so you can say goodbye to tail pain and hello to long, enjoyable rides. Plus, it has 2 upgraded strong shock spring gel balls that absorb bumps, making your ride smoother. The installation is also super easy, taking just about 2 minutes with the included tools. With over 3,000 units sold this past month, it's clear that many are giving it a shot. Now, some people complained about needing an additional adapter for certain bike models. Here's the thing though, if you're using a common bike type, the installation will be a breeze. For those with specialized bikes, it might be a little extra work, but honestly, the comfort you'll gain is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're someone who enjoys long rides and values comfort. Skip this one if your bike setup is non-standard, or if you prefer a traditional seat style. At this price point, it's a solid investment for your biking comfort. Now, if the concern about comfort on bike seats bothered you, this next option completely takes care of keeping your entire tricycle protected. Product number 2. Akafit Adult Tricycle Cover. Next, we have the Akafit Adult Tricycle Cover, priced at $28.99. This caught my eye because protecting your tricycle from the elements is critical if you want it to last. If you want a sturdy cover that shields your ride from rain, sun, and dust, this is worth a serious look. Made from durable 210D Oxford cloth with PU coating, this cover is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. It measures 75 inches long, 30 inches wide, and 44 inches high, fitting most adult tricycles and electric bikes. The waterproof feature means no more worrying about rain ruining your ride, while the quick-release buckles and elastic ensure it stays secured even in windy conditions. Plus, the reflective strips enhance visibility at night, keeping your tricycle safe when parked outdoors. Over 300 of these covers have flown off the shelves recently, which shows a strong demand for protection among tricycle owners. Now, some users pointed out that the fit wasn't perfect for all tricycle models. Here's the thing though, as long as you check the dimensions against your trike, it should fit well. If you have a highly customized tricycle, you might face some challenges, but for most users, this cover is a no-brainer. This is perfect for you if you're someone who parks outside or wants to keep your tricycle in pristine condition. Skip this one if you always store your bike indoors and don't need extra protection. For under $30, it's a small price to pay. Product number 3. FisherPrice HarleyDavidson Toddler Tricycle. Now let's talk about the FisherPrice HarleyDavidson Toddler Tricycle, available for $69. This isn't just any tricycle. It's designed to get your little one excited about riding. If you want a fun and safe ride for your toddler, this is worth a serious look. This tricycle features cool Harley-Davidson graphics and realistic driving sounds, which makes it super appealing for kids aged 2 to 6. The adjustable seat is a bonus, ensuring it grows with your child, while the all-terrain tires allow for outdoor adventures. It's built sturdy with a wide wheelbase, providing stability for those first-time riders. Over 200 parents have purchased this recently, indicating strong interest in quality kids' toys. Now, some parents mention that the sound effects can be a little too loud. Here's the thing though, it adds excitement for kids, and you can always adjust how much playtime they have with it. For some families, this is a deal breaker, but honestly, most kids will love the sounds. This is perfect for you if you want to nurture your child's motor skills while giving them a fun ride. Skip this one if your kid is older than 6 or prefers more advanced rides. At $69, it's a fair price for a durable toy that encourages outdoor play.
Product number 4. Huffy Green Machine Drift Trike. Next up is the Huffy Green Machine 20-inch Drift Trike, priced at $175. This one stands out because it's all about fun and excitement for kids ages 8 and up. If you want a thrilling ride that offers drift capabilities, this is worth a serious look.
The dual-stick steering allows for quick turns, 180-degree spins, and smooth side drifts, perfect for adventurous kids. The adjustable seat means it grows with your child, and the durable steel frame supports riders up to 180 pounds, ensuring longevity. The bright LED light accents are a fun touch that makes riding even more enjoyable, especially during dusk. It's currently gaining popularity, with over 100 units sold this month, showing that kids are excited about this ride. Now, some parents pointed out that it can be a bit tricky for younger kids to handle. Here's the thing though, it's designed for older kids who want a challenge, so if your child is ready for some excitement, this is perfect. For younger riders, it might require some supervision. This is perfect for you if your child loves speed and thrills. Skip this one if they're on the younger side or prefer a more conventional ride.
Product number 5, Razer DXT Drift Trike. Finally, we have the Razer DXT Drift Trike, priced at $149.99. This one is designed for older kids and teens, offering a unique drifting experience. If you want a trike that allows for that cool drift style while being easy to handle, this is worth a serious look. This trike combines a steel frame with super slider rear wheels, allowing riders to power slide through corners and perform tricks. It's designed for ages 14 and up, with a maximum weight limit of 198 pounds, making it suitable for teens looking for fun. The BMX-style puddle pedals and adjustable bucket-style seat ensure that it's comfortable and easy to control, which is crucial for safety during those adventurous rides. With over 100 of these units sold recently, it's clear that older kids are excited about this option. Now, some reviews mention that it may not be suitable for beginners. Here's the thing though, if your kid is already comfortable on two wheels, this will be a thrilling upgrade. For younger or less experienced riders, it might be better to stick with something simpler. This is perfect for you if you have a teen who loves to ride and wants to learn some cool tricks. Skip this one if you're looking for something for younger kids or if they're still mastering balance. At $149.99, it's a solid choice for an entertaining activity. Now, let's wrap up and
So, to quickly compare, we've got the 2 Maples no-slip bike seat for comfort, the Akafit tricycle cover for protection, the FisherPrice tricycle for toddlers, the Huffy green machine for drifting fun, and the Razer DXT for older thrill seekers. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the 2 Maples noseless bike seat because comfort is crucial for enjoying long rides. Avoid the FisherPrice for older kids if you're looking for something more challenging, as it's really geared towards toddlers.